Here's the truth. Glowing skin isn't just about expensive products or perfect genes, it's about small, smart habits that anyone can adopt. Whether you're chasing that summer glow or just want to look more refreshed and healthy, these 7 easy tips can get you there. Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Essential Cures. Tip number 1. Hydration is non-negotiable. Think of your skin like a sponge. When it's dry, it looks dull and flaky. But when it's hydrated, it's plump, smooth, and naturally radiant. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and if plain water isn't your thing, try herbal teas or infuse it with lemon, cucumber, or mint. Bonus tip: a water-based moisturizer can seal in hydration and make your skin glow instantly. Tip number 2. Cleanse gently, but consistently. Your skin collects dirt, oil, and pollution throughout the day. Cleansing at night is a must, even if you're not wearing makeup. But don't go overboard with harsh scrubs or strong cleansers. A gentle, sulfate-free cleanser will do the job without stripping your skin's natural oils. Pro tip: cleanse with lukewarm water. Hot water can irritate and dry you out. Tip number 3. Exfoliate, but don't overdo it. Exfoliating helps shed dead skin cells and unclog pores, revealing the fresh, glowing skin underneath. But twice a week is plenty. Use a mild chemical exfoliant, like AHAs or BHAs, instead of rough scrubs that can cause microtays. After exfoliating, your serums and moisturizers will work even better. Tip number 4. Don't skip sunscreen, even indoors. Sun damage is the #1 cause of dullness, spots, and early wrinkles. A broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher, applied every morning, even on cloudy days or if you're inside near windows, protects your skin and keeps it looking youthful. Many modern sunscreens are lightweight and leave no white cast, so no excuses. Tip number 5. Feed your skin from the inside. You really are what you eat. Foods rich in antioxidants, think berries, spinach, nuts, healthy fats, like avocados and salmon, and vitamins, especially A, C, and E, support skin repair and boost your glow. Also, cutting back on sugar and processed foods can reduce breakouts and inflammation. What goes in, shows out. Tip number 6. Beauty sleep is real. Sleep is when your skin gets to work repairing itself. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. If you sleep on your side, try a silk pillowcase. It's gentler on your skin and helps prevent wrinkles and irritation. Tip number 7. Keep stress in check. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which can cause breakouts, sensitivity, and dullness. Find simple ways to unwind daily. Take a walk, breathe deeply, journal, or even just laugh more. A peaceful mind leads to peaceful, glowing skin. Final thoughts: glowing skin isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Pick a few of these habits and build them into your routine. The more you care for your skin and yourself, the more it will show. So drink that water, wear that SPF, and let your natural glow shine through. You've got this. You might want to dive into other topics of interest like how to naturally get rid of cellulite on thighs, hips, and buttocks. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple of more health-related videos for awesome wellness. Go ahead, click and learn more. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics, please let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and are committed to providing you with valuable information to support your well-being. Wishing you all the best and see you on the other side.